Hello everyone, I'm excited to guide you through a nail tutorial using Golden Glimmer, Rose Petal Pink of Vanilla Bean, and Party Prism. These shades create a captivating nude-based ombre. It's both chic and stylish. I guarantee you'll be inspired to replicate this design for your at-home manicure. Let's embark on this journey. Our nail journey begins with Golden Glimmer for the thumbnail. Pointer finger gets adorned with Rose Petal Pink, applied with a thin, even base coat, and the delicate shade of Vanilla Bean is reserved for our pinky. With these colors, we're setting the stage for a beautiful manicure ahead. Let's continue. Now a second layer for the sheer shades. The super fine texture of our powder enables flawless double dipping. This quality truly sets apart high-quality powders from inferior ones. Achieving the perfect shade intensity is our goal here. Let's make sure the colors stand out beautifully. Onto the next step. We aim for vibrant, true to metallic colors. Thus, 2 layers of sheer color are necessary. Cleanliness is paramount. It's essential to meticulously remove any residual or excess powder. This step guarantees a pristine finish. Ensuring your nails look perfect is our primary objective. Let's move on to the intricate ombre process. For the middle and ring fingers, we'll craft the ombre design. After applying a thin base coat, use a fluffy makeup brush. Pick up the Party Prism glitter. A gentle flick releases the glitter, producing the desired ombre look. Precision and timing are key here. Let's ensure it's done just right. Submerge nails into clear powder post-application. This enhances glitter brilliance and protects its shine. A supplementary glitter ombre layer intensifies the effect. We're seeking a perfect blend of color and shine, ensuring the nails stand out. Proper layering ensures longevity and beauty. Our manicure is coming together beautifully. Achieving a uniform, smooth finish requires gently pressing or tapping a nail surface. The ring finger mirrors the previous process. Consistency in design is what we're aiming for. Each step builds upon the last, creating a harmonious nail design. Our ombre is taking shape. Let's keep the momentum going. Natural ombre mastery requires technique. Use a fluffy brush, gather glitter, and flick horizontally. Move from the free edge towards the cuticle. This gradient establishes the ombre. Perfecting this motion creates a seamless transition, making the nails truly stand out. Let's ensure this gradient is just perfect. Always maintain gentle, precise brush strokes. Before drying, immerse the finger in clear powder. This step is crucial for setting the design and ensuring longevity. Each motion should be deliberate and precise. Our ombre design requires attention to detail. Let's ensure perfection at every phase of the application process. Overlay with another clear powder layer post-application. Bypassing base color, we dive directly into ombre glitter. Clean all excess powder with a fluffy brush. Ensuring cleanliness and precision at this stage is paramount. The design is slowly revealing itself. Let's ensure every detail is perfect. After application, focus on cleaning, target sidewalls and cuticles, removing excess. Then, introduce the activator liquid. Transitioning, we proceed to filing and buffing. This refinement process ensures a smooth, salon-grade finish. Every step aims for perfection, bringing us closer to the final look. Let's continue refining. Detailing buffing target accumulated powder areas. Eliminate these for a refined nail appearance. Primarily focus on cuticle and side areas. With the foundation set, our design is nearing its completion. Each refinement brings us a step closer to the perfect at-home manicure. With glitter, employ gentle filing and buffing. It's encapsulated within clear powder, demanding sense. Aim for refined, not excessive file. This balance ensures a smooth surface while preserving the design. Our manicure is nearing completion. Let's proceed with care, ensuring each detail shines. Concluding, a buffer block crafts a polished, matte finish. This ensures nails are impeccably smooth. A perfect manicure demands precision. From start to finish, we're ensuring that our nails are not just beautiful, but also feel smooth to the touch. The finish is everything. Buffer grit varies with number size. Clean nails post-buffing. Apply another activator liquid layer. This sealing process is essential for setting the design and enhancing longevity. We're now in the final stages. Our nails are nearly ready to shine in all their glory. Let's proceed. While file and buffer working, it's vital to cover powders. This prevents external dust contamination and ensuring powder efficacy remains intact. Maintaining a clean workspace is key. It guarantees that our final design is both beautiful and long-lasting. As we move to the concluding stages, let's ensure perfection. Upon completion, a top coat unveils the design's allure. This glamorous at-home nail design is a testament to skill and precision. Every step, meticulously executed, leads to this grand reveal. Behold the culmination of our nail journey. True masterpiece. Revel in its beauty.